roads and up in the clouds, but I've always felt that something's missing. That was until I found you right there in the crowd. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky. Oh, there's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect melody. Baby, don't say you don't believe in me, 'cause you know, and I know, we're onto something good. You know, and I know, we got something good. Here in my heart, when I'm with you I feel so much better, oh yeah. Before you I was just a shell, so stuck in the dark. You came into my life and started a fire. You made me feel like I could touch the sky, oh. There's nothing missing now that you're my desire. Now all I have to do is to make you mine. 'Cause I know, and you know what we could be. Like a song, like a perfect...
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've made some Chinese custard buns, the vegan version. I used soy milk. I love these buns and I was very curious on how to make it, so I've tried. So let's see what it looks like. Not bad for a first attempt, but I think I could have centered the custard in the dough a bit more, but I'm actually quite glad that the dough did cook. It's my first time using the bamboo steamer to make these custard buns. It's not bad. But the custard is the perfect sweetness. Oh, and I'm pairing it with some turmeric tea. Love this tea. We bought it on our trip to China. Absolutely delicious and good for you. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do try the recipe, please let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and you know, if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and keep smiling. See you next time.